Great day, dear learners. So, this is the last topic for Grade 7 Mathematics, Quarter 1, Week 4, Problem Solving Involving Percentage Decrease under Matatag Curriculum. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to solve problems involving percentage decrease. Now, let us solve illustrative example 1. The problem is, the original price of a pair of pants was 900 pesos. In summer sales, it was reduced to 495 pesos. Find the percentage decrease or change in the price of the pants. Okay, so ilagay muna natin yung ating mga given. We have original value, which is 900, and the new value, 495. So we need to look for the decrease in value bago natin hanapin ang ating percentage decrease. So dV is equal to OV minus NV. Ang OV natin ay 900 minus 495 na NV. Therefore, our DV is 405. Now, we are ready to find for our PD. So, itong gagamitin natin na formula. PV is equal to OV minus NV all over OV times 100%. So, replacing, we have the values 900 minus 495 all over 900 times 100%. Kung mapapansin, ang OV minus NV ay para din itong si DV din. So, kung nakuha na natin itong DV, pwede na agad tayo mag-direct na PD is equal to 405 over 900 times 100%. So, at this point, tanggalin lang natin yung mga, mag-eliminate lang tayo dito ng mga digits para mas madali natin ma-solve. So, itong 100 na to, we can divide that to 900. Kasi dalawang, yan, tanggalin lang natin to. 100 divided by 900. So that is now 1 over 9. Diba? So parang kinancel out lang natin yung dalawang zeros. Now, we are going to divide. No, mas madali nang i-divide ngayon ang 405 divided by 9. So, 40 divided by 9, we have 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Then 40 minus 36 is 4. Bring down 5. 45 divided by 9 is 5. So, ibig sabihin, our PD here is 45%. Problem number 2. The value of a brand new laptop worth 45,000 pesos became 30,150 pesos after a month of use. What is the decrease in price? And what is the percent of decrease? So let's have the given here. Original value is 45,000. New value is 30,150. And now we are going to find for the percentage decrease and decrease in value or decrease in price. So let's have first the decrease in value. O yung decrease in value, tandaan, ito rin yung ating decrease in price. So we have there OV minus NV, wherein your OV is 45,000 minus the NV, which is 30,150. Therefore, our decrease in value is 14,850. Now we are ready to solve for the PD or the percentage decrease. So, it is equal to OV minus NV or ibig sabihin, pwede rin itong DV na natin. All over OB times 100%. But I'm going to show you kung saan galing ito. Ito ay si OV, 45,000. Minus yung NV natin, which is 30,150. All over OV, which is 45,000. Times still 100%. Now, we have here now the difference. So, we have 14,850. O sa madaling sabi, pulutin lang natin yung value ng DV dito, then lagay natin dyan. All over 45,000. Still, multiply it to 100%. Now, we can now cancel out. Bilangin lang natin yung mga zeros. So, dito sa taas, meron tayong 1, 2, 3 zeros. And then dito sa baba, 1, 2, 3 zeros. So, pwede na natin cancel out yon. Para ang i-divide na lang natin is 1,485 divided by 45. Okay? So, syempre, 3 digits na kaagad ang kunin natin. 148 divided by 45, that is actually 3. So, 3 times 45, that is 135. Now, 148 minus 135, that is now 13. Bring down 5. So, that is 33. Meaning, ang PD natin ay 33%. Number 3, example. Sport enthusiast weighs 75 kilograms. After a month of tedious exercise, he weighs 66 kilograms. What is the percentage decrease of his weight after a month? So we have here the original value, 75, new value, 66 kilogram. Then we are looking for the percentage decrease and the decrease in value. Unahin na natin yung pagkuha sa decrease in value. So dV is equal to OV minus NV. Wherein your OV is 75 and NV is 66. So subtracting, we have now dV is equal to 9 kilogram. So let us now find for the PD. PD is equal to OV minus NV all over OV times 100%. So replace lang natin. We have here 75 minus 66 all over 75 times 100%. But we can also pick this 9 kilogram na lang sa taas over the OV which is 75 kilogram times 100%. So dito hindi na ako magka-cancel. Let us go directly. 9 times 100, pwede na natin ilagay dito na 900. Yan. Divide by 75. So, in 90, we have only 175. That is, 1 times 75 is 75. Subtracting 90 minus 75, we have 15. And then bring down 0. Now, 150 divided by 75 is 2. So, ibig sabihin, ang PD natin ay 12%. Illustrative example number 4. Jake wants to decrease his sugar level intake from 90 teaspoons daily to 6 teaspoons to maintain a normal and healthy diet. How much percentage decrease is from 9 teaspoons to 6 teaspoons of sugar? Okay, original value natin ay 9 teaspoon. New value ay 6 teaspoon. So we are looking for the percentage decrease and the decrease in value. So unahin natin ang ating decrease in value. dV is equal to OV minus NV. So we have here 9 teaspoon minus 6 teaspoon. Our dV now is 3 teaspoons. So for the PD is equal to OV minus NV all over OB times 100%. So this is now 9 minus 6 all over 9 times 100%. Sa madaling sabi, pulutin lang yung 3 dito na value ng dV over 9 times 100%. So we can now reduce 3 over 9 dahil alam naman natin that 3 and 9 are multiples of 3. So 3 divided by 3, this is now 1. 9 divided by 3, this is 3. Now 1 times 100 is 100. Divide it by 3. So divide lang natin ito sa 3. 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtracting, we have here 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down 0. Yan. 3 times 3, 9 again. Paulit-ulit lang ito. Paulit-ulit lang siya. So, ibig sabihin, ang ilalagay lang natin dito ay up to 2 decimal place value. Therefore, our PD now is 33.33%. So, I just hope you learned something. So, it's your turn. Kindly do activity 2 and then wait for the solution and answer dun sa next video ko. Thank you for watching.
Para sa mas marami pang video, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, and share. Happy learning!